Hi, do you know what's the meaning of let the cat out of the bag? Let the cat out of the bag. Do you know the meaning? In American English, if you say let the cat out of the bag, it means to reveal the secret. So we can use it in example, don't let the cat out of the bag, warning someone not to reveal the secret. And we can use it also in other sentences. For example, well, I told her my secret, but then she let the cat out of the bag, which means she told the secret to others and did not keep it for herself. So as a piece of advice, if you have any secrets, keep them for yourself and never share them with anybody, because people always make advantage out of your own secrets and they make it your own weakness. If you like today's idiom, then share it with your friends, use it in your daily life, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.